This chapter is going to start off with quadratic functions and then move on to polynomial functions. So the first section we're looking at mainly switching back and forth between standard and general quadratic form. So let's say we have f of x equals x plus 1 squared minus 8, and we want to change it into standard form. Now standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So going this direction is fairly simple. We just FOIL and simplify and done. So we'll take x plus 1 and multiply it by x plus 1. We'll have x squared plus 2x plus x is 2x. And 1 times 1 is 1. And then 1 minus 8 is negative 7. So now our function is in standard form. Going to the other direction, to transformation or vertex form, is a little more complicated because the vertex form is that one that was a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is your vertex. And in this one, you can go about it one of two ways. You can complete the square, which is more difficult if there's a number in front of the x squared. In this case, it's not that hard. But if there's a number in front of the x squared, then completing the square can be a bit complicated. So what I'm going to choose to do is actually find the vertex and plug it in. And we know to find a vertex, to find the x value, we use negative b over 2a. The x value of the vertex is h. So in this function, we'd have negative, b is 2, and a is 1. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Then, to find k, we find f of x, or y. So we'll be finding f of negative 1. We'll color code there. So we'll have negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 7. Negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And that will give us negative 8. A is just the same number in front as it was originally. So in this case, a is just 1. So now we can write our function. A is 1, so I'm going to leave that off. Then we have x minus h. And h was negative 1, so that'll make it a plus 1 squared plus k, which is negative 8, so we'll say minus 8.